How to dispute a transaction on Fifth Third Bank. First of all, log into your Fifth Third Bank online account at 53.com using your user ID and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account section and select the account where the disputed transaction occurred. Next, find the transaction you want to dispute in your recent activity or transaction history. Click on the transaction to view the details and look for the option to dispute transaction or report an issue. If you do not see the option online, you can also contact Fifth Third Bank customer service directly. When submitting a dispute, provide all relevant information about the transaction, such as the date, amount, merchant name, and the reason why you believe the transaction is incorrect or unauthorized. After submitting your dispute, the bank will investigate the issue and may contact you for additional information. While the dispute is being resolved, your account may be credited temporarily for the disputed amount. Make sure to monitor your account regularly for updates and follow any instructions from the bank. And that's it. Now you know how to dispute a transaction on Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.